Hi guys, we are still in Kraków, Poland, and today I will show you my trip to the Oskar Schindler's factory. Let's start with the technical information. In the winter time, the museum is open from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. Only on Mondays it's from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. In the summertime, which is from April to October, it's open from 9 a.m. till 8 p.m. and from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. on Mondays. The tickets cost 24 zlotys, which is about $7, £5 or €6. The museum is located a bit far from the center. I would say you better take an Uber or call a cab you already checked, as the cabs waiting there might be overpriced. It's recommended to visit this place with the kids over 14 years old. This place is not only about Oskar Schindler. You can learn a lot about pre-war Kraków, German invasion in 1939, everyday life of people during the war, the wartime history of Cracow Jews, the underground Polish state, and in the end, another hard part of history of Poland, the communism. The Enamel factory was founded in 1937. Schindler himself took it over in 1939 and he was running it until 1945. You might know the story from the history classes or from the Steven Spielberg's movie, The Schindler's List. He hired Jews to work there and that saved dozens of lives during the Second World War. Speaking about the exhibitions, they are amazingly done. There's a lot of small details that make you feel the sorrow even more. If you ever come to Poland, please visit this museum. It's so important to learn about these hard times and remember them to never let it happen again. Poland was the country that suffered the most during the Second World War. For each 1,000 citizens, 220 died or were killed. 6 million of people died, including 3 million of Polish Jews. We remember. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe my channel, press the thumb up button, comment what do you think. You can also visit my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.